What's up, everybody? I'm Ray Taylor from InspiredDisorder.com, and I'm going to show you how to edit vertical videos using iMovie. Now, this is the exact same technique that I use to edit The Ray Taylor Show, as well as the making of videos for my art series, my painting videos, The Many Faces. The first step is going to be recording your video in vertical mode using any kind of camera you want. I'm using an old iPhone 7 for this video. Record it in portrait mode, put it up on its side, record it in portrait mode, aka vertical mode, and record yourself some video. The next step is going to be transferring that video into iMovie. Once the video is loaded into iMovie, you're going to want to rotate that video clip by selecting the video clip in the project media section on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you have the clip selected, click on the crop icon just above the preview pane. I prefer to rotate the video to the left. It doesn't matter. You will be rotating the video back to the opposite direction later. And now you add the video clip into the video editor section of iMovie as normal, edit the movie as normal. All of the features for iMovie will still work and function the same as they normally would. Obviously, the video is just turned to its side. And one piece of iMovie that will not work are the title cards. Obviously, because your video will be later turned back into vertical mode, the title cards will look sideways. So you can't use the title cards, but there are ways to get title cards onto your iMovie. In a different video, I will be discussing those ways of getting title cards into your vertical videos for iMovie. When you're done editing your video, go to export your video by clicking on the icon on the top right of iMovie. Select Save to File. The settings that I use when I export my videos, I make sure it is in 1080p. I select high quality, so not the ProRes quality. I choose high quality. It's a nice compromise to save on disk space. And I choose to compress the video faster because I tend to edit large amounts of video at the same time. So I prefer to have a faster compression. It all looks great. If you like The Ray Taylor Show or the Many Faces videos that I do, those are the settings that I use. So once your file is rendered and saved onto your hard drive, go find the file in the folder that you had it saved. You're going to want to open the file using QuickTime. Once the file is open in QuickTime, you're going to want to click on Edit and then Rotate Right. Now, once you have your video rotated, click to close the iMovie window, and that will prompt you to save the file. So go ahead and title this video file whatever you want saved as. Save it in whatever folder you want it saved as. The other settings I make sure to use is to save it as an H.264 for greater compatibility. And once you've rotated the video back, you are done. And once you've saved your video from QuickTime, you now have a vertical video that you can share to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. They all support this video formats. You don't have any problems. You won't have any formatting issues when you upload it to these different services. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you click on the like button, maybe leave a comment. Make sure you also subscribe to the Inspired Disorder YouTube page. And of course, if you want to see the videos that I regularly edit using this exact same technique, check out The Ray Taylor Show, daily podcasts of movie reviews and so much more. Or check out The Many Faces, the making of videos for all of the paintings. I release a new painting every day, along with the making of videos for each painting. Peace out!